Hi, welcome back to another video. In this video, I want to talk about something that I hear a lot amongst friends and family, and it's I'm too young to do estate planning. And I'm not old enough to do this. This is for, people who are retired. This is for people who don't have a lot of time left. That is the entirely wrong mentality that we should have. Estate planning is it's more than planning for after you're gone. It's also planning for your life. You want to be able to feel confident and have a true sense of security that you have things set up to work the way that you want. And yes, that involves, what happens after you're gone, but it also includes what happens right now. You've worked hard to get where you are. Maybe you have a family, maybe you've, saved a lot of money, and maybe you've started a business or bought a house. These are important milestones, and you should do everything you can to protect them. We get homeowners insurance, and we get life insurance, and, we, wear our seatbelts. These are basic things that we do to preserve our overall well-being. And that includes financial well-being and also personal well-being. Now, part of estate planning also includes planning for your wishes while you're alive. So, if you've been in an accident or, you're sick, you need someone who can step in and make decisions for you and make the kinds of decisions that you would make for yourself. So it's so important to name someone to fill that role, because in the event that a decision maker is needed, what's going to happen if you don't already have that person named is the court is going to name one for you. And people are going to come forward and, ask to be that person. So think about who would do this in your life. It's probably your parents, right? They love you and they want to take care of you. But ask yourself, is your mother or your father the person that you would choose to make decisions for you? They might be, but they might not be your first choice. Maybe you have a spouse. Maybe you have a partner, a boyfriend, a girlfriend, maybe just a good friend, someone that really knows what you want and how you like to live your life. Maybe you follow certain nutritional guidelines. Maybe you're a vegetarian and you want your nutritional needs to be vegetarian. Would, a parent respect your decisions? And maybe they would. It's totally personal. It depends on your situation. But it's important to think about, who is going to come forward in your life to fill that role. And there's probably someone who would come forward, right? The question is, would they respect the decisions of the lifestyle that you live? And if not, then you need to make sure that you have someone set up to fill that role if needed. Now, the second part of this is that estate planning has a lot of benefits in terms of making sure that your money and your legacy is passed on the way that you want. And again, if you have children, if you are in a blended family, these things are even more important because there's more chances that what you want isn't going to happen if you don't have a plan set up. So estate planning is not just for the elderly, and it's not just for, people who are, approaching the end of their life. It's really about today and having things set up in a way that you can feel confident living for today and living your best life, knowing that things are going to go the way that you want, not the way someone else wants, not the way the court wants. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope to see you again on another video FAQ.